Today, we will show you how to remove the bottom bins in your KitchenAid French Door Refrigerator. First, remove all the food for easy bin removal. Locate the track pin on each side. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the track pin. Firmly press on the inside of the pin with the head of the screwdriver. Remove pins on both sides. Next, you will loosen the bottom and top screws on the bottom bin mount. Note, you don't have to remove the mounting screws entirely. Simply loosening them is enough. By removing the bottom door first, this will make removing the bins easier, as the bottom bin has a locking tab. When putting the bottom bin back, press the side notches into the track for smooth action. Next, return the top bin. Realign the bin with the track to ensure the track pin can lock in place. Once the bin is back on track, push the track pin back into place. Note, you may need to use a little pressure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit ApplianceFactory.com.